would like to throw your knowledge, share your knowledge with others, you are welcome. Kindly be in touch with us so that we can give you a slot to talk on different topics. However, they are confined to technical sessions. We do conduct the RAMS training. Now the RAMS training is going on. It is conducted by renowned professors, experienced people from the railway and non-railway people. It is a 30 hours course, weekend courses we are now conducting. Around 45 people have joined across the globe. We also conduct the CBTC course, the know-how and also the architectural course we conduct, which is around 30 hours. Electronic interlocking, a conceptual trainings and software and hardware we have recently conducted for a MNC company. It was also a 30 hours program. We do conduct digital access controls. The functional safety is yet to come, and first time on the Indian platform, the functional safety for the railway working. EMI training, especially which is more relevant to the metro technology. Reliability engineering, Sunlight standards and SL related trainings are also on the card. We are conducting these trainings also. Okay. Let me introduce myself. You wonder that before starting any training sessions, a trainer will introduce himself. What is the need of this? Why should he introduce himself? Please remember the flow what I am now having. The same flow will be taught how to do this in my 2-day session. I will give you details about the 2-day session at the end of this session. You have questions while going through this. The number one question is, the number one query from you will be, when is the program? And second, sabse bada rupaya, what is the cost of that? How to register? So these are the 3 major questions I expect from most of you. Please wait. Please wait up to the end of the session where we are answering these 3 questions. Apart from that, if you have any other questions, you can definitely be free with me. You can ask us. Coming back, why introduction is necessary. When you go to a doctor for any health issues, you check his degree, whether he is only MBBS or a registered medical practitioner, or is it he is a Ayurvedic doctor, Ayurvedic doctor, homeopathic doctor. What is the highest degree he is having, how many years of service he is having, and how much experience he is having. You trust him. In the same fashion, it is mandatory to give introduction about the trainer or a presenter so that people will feel, yes, it is worth attending. As you choose your doctor based on his experience and his knowledge and his qualifications, it is better to introduce ourselves before the session commences. I am a science graduate from Karnataka University, Dharwad, way back in 1972. And I did my diploma in training and development from ISTD, Indian Society for Training and Development, New Delhi. It is a 4-year course. I am also a certified soft skill trainer, basically a railway signal engineer, having served the Indian Railways for 27 plus years. I am a domain trainer in railway signaling engineering with more than 25 years of experience in the training field. As I said, I have rendered the railway service for 27 plus years. I also served with various companies as a training manager, to name them as Cyient Hyderabad, Ansaldo STS Bangalore, Tech Mahindra Hyderabad, CMC Hyderabad, then Kalpataru Power Transmission Gandhinagar. Now I am associated as Director Training with the Railway Academy. My humble request to all. My humble request to all, kindly silence your mobile phone and put off your video. I am just requesting 1 hour from you to go through this session. How important it is, how necessary it is to go for an online session. I'm covering the contents here, which will be of more interest to you. The first one comes with the COVID-19 effect. On March 24th, when the Prime Minister of India announced the lockdown, the very next day, the effect started throughout India. We were not able to get the vegetables. We were not able to get the milk, the essentials for household. So all were just worried, especially the aged people. The children were not able to go outside. All were worried how to go ahead. But all of us were approved now, having spent almost 3-4 months under this COVID effect. In the initial stage, we used to see the news and we used to get wondered, oh, so many of people getting affected. Now hardly people see the news on COVID effect. How many people are affected? How many deaths are there? It is like a diabetes. We enjoy that. It is like high blood pressure. People will enjoy that. We need to be with that. We cannot run away from that. Let us learn how to live with Corona also. This has opened a floodgate for the online sessions. The session is, what is the need of this session? As the lockdown started from 25th of March, the very night I just thought how to use this Corona lockdown usefully. Let me use it. The very next day with Kalpataru, where I was working, I gave a mail to HR. I want to conduct the online sessions during this lockdown session, and the first session starts from 27th. Please circulate. The HR department of Kalpataru cooperated, supported, and immediately they started circulating. Believe it or not, more than 50 people started attending the online session. Then onwards, it is almost my daily session, a daily activity of conducting the online sessions. During these online sessions, I found there are some lacunas, there are some need, there are some gaps we need to fill as a presenter and also as a participant. There are two major people involved here, and the presenter is only one, but the participants in this example are more than 50. So there are certain things which need to be followed by the presenter and more things followed by the participants. Let us see how we can follow them. A presenter can attend, definitely, how to present. A participants also need to attend how to participate. How to participate on the online sessions. Now everything is online. We are going with the online. What should be the duration of the training? How to decide it? In my institute, when I was working with railways, one of our colleagues used to tell, I can take the training for 6 hours per day. Fine, you have the stamina, but who will listen for 6 hours continuously? The participants are more important than the presenter. So what should be the adequate duration of the training? Let us learn that. What are the prerequisites? As a presenter and also as a participant. So these are the things, these are the subject, these are the topics I'm going to cover in the 2-day session. What is the breakup of this 2-day session? I will let you know at the end of the session. And what is the takeaway? When you attend the training for 2 days, spending something, what is that something? I will let you know later. Spending something, there should be some takeaway. It should help you. It should help you as a presenter. It should also help you as a participant. As I said rightly here, even though the presenter is only one, the participants are 100 in numbers. More topics, more things to be learned, practiced, and cultivated by participants in the online sessions. Let us understand that. When the COVID started on March 25th, सोई रहो अनारकली, सलीम was telling, सोई रहो अनारकली, लॉकडाउन 3 मई तक है, अब मत जाओ. So that was the caption, and that was the cartoon came on the web, on our WhatsApp group and all other things. It started with online shopping. Everything you will get online. Medicines online, milk online, vegetables online. You talk anything, you will get online. How the negativity used in positivity. How people started using the corona, the lockdown effect in different parts of our walk of the life. Schools started online. Children have started online discussing themselves. Children have started online playing. There was a resistance by children in the initial stage. Definitely there was a resistance. But now they are used to this. It's the human nature to accept anything new. As the time passes, we'll accept it. You will get online food also. It started. You tell anything, you will get online. Online drinks. Online. Everything online. Online. Chalo. This session covers, the 2-day session covers how to conduct the sessions. What are the different platforms? How to prepare? How to deliver? How to make the participants interactive? How to create an interest in the participants? This session covers that. I am not claiming here that many of you who are conducting the sessions, who are conducting the webinars, who are conducting the conferences, meetings, are not following it. You are following. You may be following better than me. I don't claim that this is the only way we need to do it. It is our own way we need to do it. And as I said, right from 27th March I started till today, not less than 2 or 3 sessions daily. I could understand some concept with my experience. Yes, if this is adopted, probably the sessions will be more effective. That I'm going to share with you. Of course, there is a price for that. There is a price for that for the 2-day session. Let us see at the end what is the price. How to participate? As I said rightly in the beginning, even though there is a one presenter, 100 participants are there. There needs to be a collaboration with these participants. There needs to be support from the participants. There needs to be a cooperation from the participants to make the session a best session. How to develop the contents? Developing the content depends upon what is the media you talk. You might have given the presentation in your offices, in your organization, in your groups. You might have given it as the video call, video conferencing. it is definite that depending upon the platform, depending upon the group, depending upon the technology, depending upon the topic, depending upon the subject, the contents are defined. How to define the contents for different subjects? How to define the contents for different topics? How to define the contents for different audience? Audience are my gurus here. Audience are my gods here. How to define? If at all, at the end of the day, if anybody to be satisfied, it is the audience, the participants. How to make the participants satisfied? What should be the style? Definitely, there is a physical, a different style when you are presenting in person. Many of you might have acted on the stage. I have one of my guru here who was with me, Mr. Malhotra Saab, who has taught me how to act, and he did wonderful things on the stage. You know it, how you can do it on the stage. You know it, how you can do it on the conference room. You know it, how you can do it in the teleconferencing. What is the best style for online session now? Now we are adopting the online. Whatever we were teaching in the classroom, using the whiteboard, using the blackboard, using the presentations, using different charts, discussing with the people, talking with the people, cutting jokes with the people, making them to laugh, making them to be happy in the classroom. How to make it the same happiness, how to bring the same happiness on this platform? Let us understand the style. Interaction. Interaction, the best interaction with any participants is eye contact. But unfortunately here, the very best interactive media is missing. I again request people to kindly mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. The interaction with the people, how to interact even on this platform. What are the different tools we need to select? Maybe while giving a technical session, maybe while giving a general session like this, depending upon the different sessions, how to select the tools. What are the different platforms which need to use? Ample of softwares are available nowadays. Which one to choose, which not to choose? And you say you did your leadership training online. So this is the person who did the leadership training online and he is facing an interview. Who can attend? Anyone interested in delivering online training can attend this. Anyone interested in delivering online conferences, meetings, seminars, webinars, everything. If you want to talk in a group online, they can enter it. They can come here. All who are attending online sessions, this is very important for the people who are as a participants. As I said in the beginning, I will continue to tell, more than the participant, a presenter, the participants' support continues, is warranted, is requested. Now, I really thank all of you here to mute yourself and to put off your videos, which will distract the attention of others. Because we are in an environment in the house. We cannot be in a lonely place. House is a small place. Children are there. Family members are there. Even though I am taking a session, the family members cannot listen to me. They need to get entertained. They are seeing the TVs. As a presenter, okay, fine. I'm using my headphone. I'm sitting in a remote place. But as a participant, it is very difficult to sit in an isolated place. All are not having the isolated rooms. How to participate? How to interact is more important here. Anyone organizing the conferences, how to organize the conference. Anyone conducting online meetings, you can follow this. The concept what we will discuss during our 2-day session is a general. It is a general for all the activities online what you are doing. Anyone delivering the programs, different programs, the technical programs, the training programs, seminars, webinars, sky is the limit. You can use any activities. The Corona has taught us, probably before Corona, we were not exposed to this. And please remember, as a participant, where you sit does not matter. How you listen matters. That is the reason I request everybody to put off your videos, because we do not know in which form you are. If you put on the videos, probably the others will watch you. So better put off the videos. Let us discuss what are the duration of the training. This training duration is for 2 days. We have a 2-day session here. The 2 days are distributed in 2 different parts. The first day is know what it is, how to participate, how to act, how to construct the contents. The first day we will be learning that. We also will be doing small exercises, even though it is online. Yes, we'll be doing the online exercises for short durations. The second day, it is the participants who will present for a particular duration, maybe 10 minutes, depending upon the number of participants. They will present it. They learn first, they adopt it. Because this is the thing which we need to practice, which we need to do it. Then only we can be perfect in that. We can achieve the perfection. We can go towards the perfection. Nobody is perfect. When 30 people present, definitely there are more than 1 or 2 positive points. How best he presents, how best he has prepared, what are the best contents he has prepared, how best he has used the platform. If I take at least 1 positive point from each participant as a presenter, it will help me with 30 new ideas. Not only with me, it is with all the participants. And all the participants participate actively, listen to another person for a short duration, maybe about 10 minutes. Take 1 positive point from him. Forget about the negative points. Don't worry about it. We also have negative points. Forget about it. Take 1 positive point from each person. Build your own bank. Deposit in your bank. Use it when you want. That is how the participation works. The workshop works. The second day, prove your best. And you are the best. How best you can do it? I will give you time to think. I need to mute somebody. I think probably somebody has to be muted here. Yeah, Mr. Ajay Kumar Verma. Yeah, I have muted him. Fine, good. See, that is how it happens online. Now you come to know that how the online session, the participants are more important than the presenter. The participants are very much important. They need to learn. We need to follow many concepts as the participants. Leave about the presenter. The second day of our training session, prove you are the best. You can do the best in the allotted time. And practice makes man perfect. We need to live with this corona. When it started on 25th of March for first 21 days, and it went on extending. Still we have it. Almost 4 months are passing. Still we have it. So we need to live with corona. We need to learn with corona. We need to learn online. We need to live with online. How long should I make a workshop? This let us discuss during our training session. How you are able to do it. What are the prerequisites? Failure is a prerequisite for learning. That is the positive thinking. In whatever way I fail, wherever I fail, let us take it as a stepping stone. Let us learn it. Learning is from womb to tomb. It never stops. Age is only the number. In one of the RAMS course, one professor from Mumbai is joining with us. He is 84 plus. One of the best training topics he is covering. A person with 84 plus years. He is taking the help of his grandson to join the Zoom. He is asking his grandson to help him for navigating the PPT, but still he is more enthusiastic. He is sharing his knowledge. Age is only a number. Please don't worry. I have requested everybody here who is interested to present, who is interested to participate. You can be the best presenter. You can be the excellent participant. Please remember it. Just give me your 2 days time. Let us learn it. What is the takeaway? Definitely, this is not the takeaway from our training session. The takeaway is how best you present. If you want to present. If you want to conduct the conference, how best you can conduct the conference. If you are conducting the meeting, how effectively you will be conducting the meeting and pass on what is in your mind. If it is a webinar, a technical webinar, how you are going to construct the webinar contents, how you are going to deliver the webinar online. If it is a seminar, yes, how you are going to do the seminar. They are the takeaways. More than this, as a participants, how you participate. How you participate is more important here than the presenter. Presenter is doing his best. He is doing the practice. He is learning it. He is talking it. One of the greatest fear is to come and talk in the public. In my class, if somebody was making some noise or mobile used to be banned in my class, if somebody is using the mobile, the best punishment I used to give to them was, please come to the stage, talk for 5 minutes. That is the greatest fear, is stage fear. Here there is no stage. The laptop screen is your stage. No fear. Anybody can do it. Anybody can present it. And everybody need to participate. So we need to be best participants than as a best presenter. What are the training commences? We have planned a training on 12th July, Sunday, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. It is an introduction and training. And from 2 to 4, it is a sort of workshop, the first day. It is almost a presenter-led session on first day. We are limiting maximum 30 people per batch. The first batch is on 12th July, and the participants of first batch will present on 19th July. 1 week time is given for them to prepare. you can use your own tools. You can construct your own contents. It can be a technical, it can be non-technical, it can be a general, in any fashion. Whatever you want to present, you can present. What you present does not matter. What matters is how you present. How you present matters more than what you present. The first batch is on 12th July and presentation by 19th July. The second batch is on 26th July. Timings are same. And the presentation by participants is on 3rd August. So this is the plan we have. If somebody has not joined for this session, kindly pass on the information, kindly pass on the messages to them. People can still join the sessions. We'll be giving the mail address, phone number. You can mail to us with the relevant information so that we can plan for the sessions on 12th July, 19th July, 26th July, and 3rd August. If there is a demand, the following sessions will continue. सबसे बड़ा रुपया. What are the fees? And as I said, it is a takeaway. So we need to contribute here something. I need to ask you something. Somebody said, "Fukat ka khana hazm nahi hota." We need to contribute. We need to spend. We are just starting with our shit. I told my person to put only 3 zeros. He has put 4 zeros. Sorry, it is now 10,000. Sorry. 1,000 rupees per participant. But Corona is there. Many people are not getting the required salary. Many people are not getting their normal business. People are not able to go ahead with this. कंप्यूटर जी और एक शून्य हटा दीजिए. चलो और एक शून्य हटाया. कंप्यूटर जी और एक शून्य हटाइए. और कंप्यूटर जी आपने क्या किया? ये आपने एक हटा दिया. अच्छा आप जानबूझ के किए. फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम. या द कंप्यूटर वांट्स दिस फीस is your contribution, your time, nothing else. We request only your participation, your active participation in conducting these sessions. Let me spread the message to all. Let me give the information to all. I do not claim I am the best. You may be the best. Let us learn from you also. No problem. No issues. It's a platform to learn. As I said, learning is a process. Let us learn. So it is you who will contribute. It is you who will make the sessions comfortable. It is you who will make the session more supportive and the best sessions. Let me watch how many people are interested in participating on the coming Sunday, 12th July. We are giving the mail ID. You are requested to send your mails here. Any questions, please? Now I will just open the chat box. You can put the questions here in the chat box. I will answer the questions. You can just put in the chat box the different questions. Post video not as I was telling the people to put up their videos, and also I showed you in what form the people will be on the video. I did not my video. I did not put my video. दिल को देखो चेहरा ना देखो चेहरों ने लाखों को लूटा दिल सच्चा और चेहरा झूठा. So my face is not that beautiful that people can see it. No problem. Fine. Then we mentioned the posting, different questions are put here. Let me just see here. Please mute your namaste, myself, Ramesh, PS Dean. Then Nagesh, kindly put up your videos. Any doubts, please? No audio, sir, not audible. Please mute. Sir, voice is breaking. That is the internet problem. Voice is breaking. Voice, stated nicely. This text is seen clearly. No voice, no video. I will attend. You can Kapil ID. Great initiative. Yes, dear sir. Then would the training be only on basics of Zoom or even various apps can be used? Yes, various apps can be used. So there is a question here. Would the training be only on basis of Zoom or even various apps like Google Meetings, Namaste app, Microsoft, anything you can use, left to you. Whatever platform you feel comfortable, you can use it. And interested learning, sir, can we use some other platforms? Yes, you can use, but we are going ahead with the Zoom platform. So our sessions will be on the Zoom platform. However, let us see, we are trying to get the other platforms also. If I am able to get, fine, we can go with the other platforms. Yeah, topic can be anything for your presentation. Thanks for the comments, Soumya, that you have commented a great session. Now let us see here. I will give our contact particulars. Yeah, one more chat here. Your mail ID. Yeah, I'm giving my mail ID. Please wait. The last slide is only that. I'm giving it here. This is our mail ID. You can contact us on enquiry@railwayacademy.org or np@railwayacademy.org. np@railwayacademy.org is my official mail ID and enquiry is a general mail ID. You can give the mails to anything else. No problem. Kindly mentioning the date on what date you want it, on what date you want to join us, so that we can make a group. And as the mail IDs are already available, we'll definitely go with the session. So I'm just displaying the mail ID. People can just note it down, or you can take a snapshot of that and you can save it, and you can definitely be in touch with us. We will welcome you, all of you, for these sessions. Thank you for joining, and I really appreciate the cooperation from everybody here. The excellent participants I had. So let us hope to meet all of you on 12th. Many of you, maximum 30 people are allowed for each batch. So kindly join with us for the presentation on 12th. We'll wait for your mail ID and your participation, your willingness to join a particular course, and we'll form the group and mail you, inform you to join them. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.